It's November the 13th, and we're sitting back up over our bean plot. We come in here this spring and made this plot a lot bigger. With a dozer, we pushed out almost an acre, 3/4 to an acre, and planted beans in here, soybeans, and then we come back in right before the leaves fell off and seeded in some winter wheat. So we've been having a lot of buck activity. Different bucks coming through. About this time of the evening, it's 4:30. And Blake's here with the crossbow. So we sat in here last night. And heard what we think was a buck over here in the bedding area. So we got bedding to the west, bedding to the east, food in the middle. So hopefully something will come through tonight. It's pretty chilly. It's probably 37, 38 degrees with a north wind. It's time, boys.
Where?
Crossbow here, just shot, I think it was an 8 or a 7 pointer. I was pretty happy. We saw him go down. He was just right out in this food plot, and we had a bunch of does and a couple button bucks that walked out, and so we're gonna go find him, which we already know where he's at. Checked up with blood.
Hey.
What is it? Can you hold this? Hold it. What is it? Hold it. This boy's heavy. So he walked out over there. Shot him, ran all the way over here, and fell down. Pretty nice buck.
Nice shot, man. Perfect.
Yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. It might not be the biggest buck ever. It might be a little bit small, but it's still a buck.
That's right. A good shot.
Thanks.
And good food, right? Good meat.
Yeah. Gotta put the meat on the table.